3 ways to make money with crypto. Cryptocurrencies are a unique and exciting way to invest, and there are many different ways to make money with them. Here are 3 of the most popular. 1. Day trading. This is perhaps the most well-known way to make money with cryptocurrencies. Day trading involves buying and selling cryptos within the same day in an attempt to make a profit from the price fluctuation. This can be a highly profitable strategy, but it is also risky as the prices of cryptos can be very volatile. 2. Hodling. This is a more conservative approach, which involves buying cryptos and holding them for the long term. This can be a great way to build up a portfolio of valuable assets as the prices of cryptos are expected to rise over time. 3. Mining. This is the process of verifying and adding transactions to the blockchain and is how new cryptos are created. Cryptocurrency miners are rewarded with a portion of the coins they mined, making it a very lucrative way to earn. These are just 3 of the many ways to make money with cryptocurrencies. With so many options available, there's sure to be a method that suits your investment. Crypto is on the rise, and there are many ways to make money with it. 2. Use a crypto exchange. This is the most common way to make money with crypto. By buying and selling cryptocurrencies on an exchange, you can make a profit off of the change in price. 3. Use a crypto trading bot. Crypto trading bots are software programs that trade on your behalf. By using a trading bot, you can make money while you sleep. 4. Stake your crypto. Some cryptocurrencies allow you to stake them, which means you can earn interest on your investment. 5. Lend your crypto. You can also lend your cryptocurrencies out and earn interest on them. 6. Mine crypto. Crypto mining is a process by which new coins are created. By mining crypto, you can earn a passive income. 7. Conclusion. There are many ways to make money with crypto. Choose the method that best suits your needs and start earning. 1. Introduction. Crypto is on the rise, and there are many ways to make money with it. Crypto is on the rise, and there are many ways to make money with it. In this article, we'll outline 3 ways to make money with crypto. First, let's start with a definition of cryptocurrency. A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not subject to government or financial institution control. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, was created in 2009. Cryptocurrencies are often bought and sold on exchanges. They can also be used to purchase goods and services. However, crypto can also be used to make money in other ways. Mining is one way to make money with cryptocurrency. When bitcoins are mined, new bitcoins are created. Miners are rewarded with bitcoins for their work verifying and processing transactions on the blockchain, the public ledger of all Bitcoin transactions. Another way to make money with crypto is to invest in ICOs. ICO stands for Initial Coin Offering. ICOs are a way for startups to raise funds by selling tokens or coins. Investors who buy into an ICO can use the tokens or coins to access the startup's product or service. ICOs can be risky, but they can also be profitable. Finally, you can also make money with crypto by trading it. Cryptocurrency trading is similar to forex trading. You buy low and sell high, or sell high and buy low. Crypto trading can be done on exchanges or through CFDs. CFD stands for Contract for Difference. A CFD is a contract between 2 parties to exchange the difference in the price of an asset. Cryptocurrency is on the rise, and there are many ways to make money with it. In this article, we've outlined 3 ways to make money with crypto. Mining, investing in ICOs, and trading are all ways to make money with cryptocurrency. 2. Use a crypto exchange. This is the most common way to make money with crypto. By buying and selling cryptocurrencies on an exchange, you can make a profit off of the change in price. If you want to make money with cryptocurrency, one of the most common ways to do so is by using a crypto exchange. By buying and selling cryptocurrencies on an exchange, you can profit off of the change in price. In order to find a good crypto exchange, you'll want to look for one that is safe and secure, as well as one that offers a good selection of altcoins. You'll also want to find an exchange that has low fees so that you can maximize your profits. Once you've found a good exchange, you'll need to create an account and deposit some funds. Then you can start buying and selling cryptocurrencies. If you're new to the world of crypto, it's a good idea to start with a small amount of money and to only invest what you can afford to lose. Remember, the cryptocurrency market is volatile, so there's always the potential for loss. However, If you're careful and smart about your investments, you can make a lot of money with crypto. 3.